Good morning, farm. Chili harvest time.
Time to wake up, Muffin. Big day.
Perfect. These chilies are ready. Tractor, my friend. It's our day.
Almost there. Almost ready.
Vroom. Let's go.
Here we come, chilies. Deep breath. Focus. Max.
Almost. Got it.
What's he got there? Soon they will be mine. Hard work, Muffin. Just a moment, Muffin. Almost done.
Quietly.
Got it. Easy.
So red. So tender.
What was that? Sounds like trouble?
Mro? Never again! Some lessons are learned the hard way.
Back to work. And keep an eye on these.
Today's the day.
Perfect. Look, Muffin. They're ready.
My trusty steed. Time for adventure. Mro?
We'll zoom through the field, pick all the best ones, then fresh pineapple juice for everyone.
Yes.
We're off, Muffin! To the pineapples!
Chitter, chitter, chitter.
All right, pineapples. Prepare to be harvested.
One down, many more to go.
Whoops. Almost lost that one.
Missile accomplished!
Ahoo!
Almost ready, Muffin. Smell that freshness.
First one's always the best.
Almost.
Chirp! Chirp, chitter!
Squeaky, come join the feast. Fresh juice.
Chitter, chitter, chirp!
Nothing beats fresh pineapple juice. Cheers, everyone!
Ah, my beautiful carrots. So bright, so juicy.
It's little Barnaby. He's stuck. I gotta go.
Don't worry, Muffin. I will be back with Barnaby.
Bro?
Vroom, vroom. Here we go.
Barnaby, where are you? I'm coming!
There you are, Barnaby! Don't move! I'll get you out!
Almost free. Just a little more. There. Success! Let's get you home, Barnaby!
Perfect time for a little harvest. Easy pickings. These are all mine.
Hey! Those are M.I. carrots!
No, you don't! Thief! Get out of my garden!
Whoa! Easy there, farmer. My loot?
Good as new. Never mess with my veggies.
Phew! What a day, huh, Muffin? My farm, my friends, my carrots, all safe.